Hello there. In this video I am going to walk you through the step-by-step process of how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. YouTube is one of the greatest money-making opportunities of our lifetime, and a lot of us want to get into YouTube, but the fact we need to get in front of the camera and show our face stops us. Now, don't worry, it's not always the case. I have personally built a lot of channels without showing my face, and it is possible to make money on YouTube without showing your face, and without actually making any videos yourself. Before that, let's give a shout out to one of our subscribers, Ringo Sacramanga. If you want a shout out like these on our videos, be sure to subscribe, like and comment on our videos. Now, back to the topic. I am going to reveal you a bunch of channels, where you don't have to actually get in front of the camera and record yourself, but still can make money. Pretty confusing, isn't? Now be with me for a second. The simple route is, we just outsource the entire video production to a content production team and oversee it. It's that simple. So we don't actually make any videos of our own or get in front of the camera. Channels like Brightside, AE Lux, Top 5 Best, Future Tech all follow this model and make a ton of money. Let's take a look at their social blade stats for a moment. All these channels make thousands of dollars a month, and you can't see any person showing their face in the video. You would have already come across a lot of these channels before, without knowing these are actually created by individuals like us, who hire others to create these videos. These are simply called cash cow channels or faceless automated channels. And these channels simply do not require anyone to show their actual faces. And a simple fact that these channels make money on YouTube without anyone being in front of the camera is an opportunity for all of us. Cash cow channel system. This involves the following key processes: niche selection, content ideation. Next step is hiring freelancers, who then takes care of script writing, voiceover, video production, thumbnail design. Niche selection. The first step is to come up with niche ideas. There are a lot of niches out there, and some of the popular YouTube niches for making faceless channels includes business, tech, luxury, celebrity, health and sports niche, etc. For your convenience, we have a list of over 100 plus profitable niches neatly organized for you in an ebook format. Link in the description. Do check it out. It's free. Content ideation. Content ideation is brainstorming a lot of content ideas by seeing other channels and getting inspiration from them. This step becomes easier if you actually choose a niche you are interested in rather than choosing a niche that you think is popular but you don't have knowledge about. Choose topics that are evergreen and in topics that are trending. By selecting video topics in this way, you tend to get traffic consistently to your videos. Make sure to stick to a schedule and upload videos consistently. From time to time, we have seen YouTubers who publish videos consistently are always rewarded by the YouTube algorithm in the long run. Now, do note, it is not necessary for you to publish videos every day. But if you are publishing 2 videos a week, make sure to stick to that schedule at least for 6 months so your audience can know when to expect videos from you. Hiring freelancers. There are a lot of good places online where you can hire freelancers to create videos for you. We always suggest you look for freelancers in these 3 places: Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer. Compared to the 3, Fiverr is a lot easier in finding the right talents due to their sophisticated system of finding talents based on our exact needs and reviews. Highly recommend checking it out. If you already know video editing and only need voiceover and script writer for your videos, so you can save some money, there are good places where you can find royalty-free media. Pixels and Pixabay are 2 of the most popular free options available to find royalty-free images and videos. If you want to make your videos more professional, then we recommend going for Video Blocks. Video Blocks is a subscription-based video library where you can find millions of quality videos to use from. If you also like to add music to your videos, then we recommend YouTube Audio Library, which is absolutely free and has a wide variety of tracks to choose from. How to optimize your videos for best results. Now, once your video is created, you need to make sure you properly optimize it so it has high chances to rank on top of YouTube search results. Video optimization includes the following basic things in place: keyword in title, keyword in description, and keyword in tags. How to multiply your YouTube earnings. Though, ad revenue seems to be the go-to monetization method for a lot of creators, a majority of YouTubers also make use of affiliate marketing to make a lot of money. If you are watching this video still, you are awesome. If you want to learn how to get massive number of views on YouTube to make more money, then we have a special course for you where we reveal the exact step-by-step process of how videos blow up on YouTube, and how you can implement the strategies we have learned to get similar results. It's running at 25% discount. Check the link in description, guys. We also have a series of videos on our channel for you guys to help you out in your YouTube journey. Link in description. Do check them out. Until next time, peace.